Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Are you tired of manually reposting your Instagram story updates on WhatsApp? Imagine effortlessly sharing your daily adventures with your WhatsApp contacts in just a few taps. Sound intriguing? In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So your contact on WhatsApp can see what's your updates on your Instagram story. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Here's I've made story on my Instagram here, and I want to share this to my WhatsApp status. There's two options. First, you can just repost it by tap on the right bottom here on the three dots here. You can tap on that. Sorry. You can share, tap on share, and you just can share to your WhatsApp by choose WhatsApp, and you can tap on my status. You send like that, and let's see. The status on WhatsApp will shown as link like this. So when your friend on your WhatsApp contact taps on the links here, they'll go to Instagram to see your Instagram story. But if you want to show the video or photos on your Instagram status to your WhatsApp status, you can open and you can save by tap on the button right here, on the three dot button right here. Tap on save photo. It will save and you just can repost it to your WhatsApp status like this. You can share like this. So here you go. So that is how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.